Hello everyone, welcome to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to make some greeting cards for a friend, or it can be for mother, father, brother, whoever you want. And I'm going to use these beautiful floral stamps. And my idea is to stamp them around the card, and then I'm going to use some embossing powder, but you will see it later in the movie. First I need to organize these flowers because I'm going to use them again, and this is why I'm using my stamping tool. I have to tell you that I love this set of stamps. I use them a lot. The flowers are very beautiful. I have this beautiful white pearl embossing powder, and I hope you will like the effect because I really love it. I really need to buy this anti-static powder tool or bag because I don't know if you can see it. The powder is in the places where I don't want it to be. So I think this is my next product to buy on my list. And now I'm using the same flowers but in other places. Okay, stamping is ready and I think it looks really nice. So now I'm going to use some inks from DECO Time palette, and I choose purple and pink colors, and I'm going to blend them on my flowers. My little tip for you: if you realize that you have not enough blending tools, then you can make it by yourself. I just took some regular sponge and I cut it. So when you don't have tools, you need to have imagination. Look at this beautiful FINETEC paint. The name color is vibrant purple and it's really amazing. And now I'm going to make some details on my card using this paint. Now I need to trim my card a little bit because it needs to fit to the envelope. I don't even know from where I have this glue with these small glitter dots, but I really like these colors and they fit to my card, so I'm going to use them. So, what do you think? Now I need to make a greeting sign, and I'm going to use this transparent paper, and I will see how it's going to work with the embossing powder. Oh, and I didn't show you this sign. It's sending you love stamp from one of my favorite stamp sets. I'm going also to add a little heart. And again, anti-static powder tool is really needed. Okay, I had some doubts about this transparent paper, but I think it looks quite nice. I decided to add one more detail, I mean sequins. They have gorgeous color, really. I love it. And this is how the card looks like. What do you think? I hope you will like it as much as I do, and I had a really fun making it. And so I hope we'll see each other in my next movie. Bye!